Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be putting out a clean with me, and we're going to be taking down the Christmas decor and also rearranging the furniture in the living dining room area. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy today's clean with me. So first off, you can see here that I am at the box that has Christmas decorations in it, and basically these Christmas decorations I didn't use this year, so I'm going to declutter the majority of these, and yeah, because I'm not using them, I don't plan to use them in the future, so we may as well just donate them or trash the ones that need to be trashed, and yeah, just decluttering. So these three things are the only items we're keeping. I've kept a couple of the baubles in different colors in this brown bag here. This box is like a gift box. I've never actually used it, and under that are the Christmas cards I've received in the last couple of years. Then we have a whole black bag worth of items that we're not keeping. So yeah, that was a pretty good declutter. Traditionally in Ireland, we actually don't take down our Christmas trees until January 6th. But because I live in an apartment and because Ava got so much choice for Christmas, we have no other option but to take down our Christmas tree and move around the furniture. So I took this down on New Year's Eve. And yeah, that's what we spent our New Year's Eve doing, just taking down the decor and rearranging furniture. I really like our Christmas tree, but I kind of wished that it didn't come in so many parts. I don't like real Christmas trees, so the option was always for us to get an artificial tree, and we got this one in B&Q many years ago, I think like in 2009, and it has withheld so much, so we're definitely going to have it for a lot more years. And you can see here that Ava is moving around the tripod, so doing this with a toddler around is a little bit stressful because she does want to kind of pull out my camera, but hey, that's the life of having a toddler. Like a dragonfly, just grab my hand from heaven's end. So in the corner here, I am taking out all of the Christmas gifts that we received. I just kind of bunged them here in this corner, and I'm going to start taking down the tent because Ava's not really using it right now. So we're going to put it up and put it away and then bring it back out later in the year. So the first time around when we moved the furniture, I was asking your guys' opinion on what you think of the setup that I had, what you thought of the new setup, and a lot of you had mentioned that we should move the TV onto the wall, and because it's safer for Ava, and because we have removed the changing table from there, we've decided to move the TV to the wall. It was at this point we discovered that myself and Robert had differing opinions about how things should be laid out. Robert likes things in straight angles, so like straight lines, where I like things to be at an angle. So we had a little bit of discussion about that, and as always happens, thank you so much, Robert, I won. So we're going to be angling the furniture.
And now I'm right back at the start, halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before.
So this is a storage unit we bought from IKEA. I will have that link below if you're interested in checking it out. As you can see, we're having a little bit of a discussion here. On the instructions, it said to flip the unit to put in the little slats here. So we were having a little bit of a discussion of how it looked in the picture, but essentially we just left it.
All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed.
So this area now is going to be Ava's play area. So this is what we've set it up as. I mean, lots of people probably don't agree that she has this big massive area back here, or it's not even massive, this area back here as her play area, but unfortunately in the furnished apartment we're renting, there's not much other area for her. So this is working out perfectly. I have storage and she can play in this area and obviously drag it around the rest of the living room as well. And that's it, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the new layout. As I said, the last time we moved around furniture, that video will be linked in the description. So check that out and see the 3 ways that we've had it so far in less than 12 months. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit that little bell button, because it lets you know every single time I upload a new video. I also have some social media, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I would love if you could join me over on those platforms. And that's it. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.